Your MP4 won't play. It likely has a missing codec or a broken index header. We can fix the index in about 2 minutes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's attempt the repair now. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the MP4 file. I'll reveal it at the end. If we look at the internal properties, the MP4 is flagged as a dedicated video file. The MPEG-4 video file provides the backbone for the data structure. The MP4 file is a standard container format for multimedia defined by the MPEG-4 Part 14 specification. It is commonly used to store video, audio, and subtitles, offering high-quality playback with efficient compression, making it ideal for streaming and general use. Governed by the Moving Picture Experts Group, MPEG standard, the format structure is defined by atoms or boxes that contain metadata and media streams. Its integrity is structural. If the necessary header atoms are missing or misplaced, a common download error, the file cannot be correctly indexed and will fail to play. The operating system preferentially attempts to open MP4 using Cyberlink Power DVD from Cyberlink. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows previews videos well, but splitting, merging, or rendering must be done in editing apps. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the MP4 file and choose Open With. Use Cyberlink Power DVD first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn MP4 files. You've earned a definitive answer. Let's run these focused tests on the common failure points to locate where the issue with the MP4 file begins. First, use Alternative Player. Install and use a robust third-party media player like VLC Media Player to bypass issues with Windows Media Player. Next, check Codecs drivers. Install or update a universal codec pack. K-Lite is common, and ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Finally, convert format. If the file is confirmed not to be corrupt, use a video converter tool to convert the MP4 file to a format guaranteed to be supported, like WMV. If the troubleshooting phase ends without success, the file now demands software designed for consistent results. The best step is to try the most powerful tool available for MP4 files. I highly recommend FileMagic because its core feature is its instant view capability, which works even when the underlying MP4 format has been tampered with. Download it today at filemagic.com. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your files working. Thank you for being a valued viewer.